big breaking news coming in that the Maharashtra government has decided not to hand over the case to the CBI. Mystery over the case is only getting bigger. It's only getting bigger, Shravan. Why won't they allow? There is national demand for a CBI
this was on the
transfer,
expected lines, Niranjan.
CBI.
This was on the expected lines that Maharashtra government, in all likelihood, wouldn't have.
Shravan, I think we have a soundbite. A soundbite of Anil Deshmukh. Let's just play that out. The soundbite of Anil Deshmukh is just coming in. I'm seeing the soundbite come in. If we can just quickly take the soundbite of Anil Deshmukh, I'm just going to keep talking about that. This is big breaking news coming in now, that the Maharashtra government has decided not to transfer the case to the CBI. So there is an opposition to the government and the demand to transfer the probe to the CBI. For some reason, the Maharashtra government won't do it. When their own police is under cloud, when the investigation conducted by the Mumbai police has been completely exposed, the Maharashtra government is saying that they will not transfer the case to the CBI. This also comes hours after Riya Chakrabarti said that she does not want the Bihar police case to go forward. She wants the case to be transferred to Mumbai. So something is amiss here. Something is amiss. Let me see if we have the soundbite of Anil Deshmukh. If you have the soundbite of Anil Deshmukh, let's play that out. Or else, let's Shravan, why don't you tell us about what's going on?
Well, these were certainly on the expected lines that Maharashtra Home Minister was rather more interested to find out the business rivalry. We'll try and, in fact, Niranjan will try and play out the soundbite that has been given by Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh in a short while from now. But a quick thing with regards to Maharashtra police as well as the Maharashtra government. In fact, Home Minister made it absolutely clear that they are more interested to find out the business rivalry rather than finding out whether at all there is any foul play or not. That in itself is a clear indication of the intention of the Maharashtra government. They are not bothered to find out that in the mysterious circumstances under which actor Sushant Singh Rajput's body was found, whether at all there was any foul play or not, they need to be absolutely clear on that. That is something that they are not talking about. They are talking about something completely different. Now, when there is a growing chorus for a deeper investigation that should be carried out by the Central Bureau of Investigation, you have the Mumbai police dragging its feet, saying that we are not going to give this particular case to the Central Bureau of Investigation. This will be carried out by the Mumbai police itself. If that's the case, why is it that there is no FIR that has been registered so far and an accidental death report is in place to begin with? Secondly, what has really transpired so far in the last 40 days or so in terms of people who have really been called in for questioning? You have only called in people with regards to some sort of a rivalry that existed. But what about the fact that today the family members are talking about the role played by Sushant Singh Rajput's partner Riya Chakrabarti? Was this something that they were looking into? In terms of financial transactions, now we have been told that Anil Deshmukh's bite is ready. Listen in to what Home Minister Anil Deshmukh had to say.
वैसे आज की हमारी दूसरी बैठक थी, लेकिन एज ए गृह मंत्री मैं बताना चाहता हूं कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का जो केस है उसको मुंबई पुलिस तहकीकात इसकी कर रही है और कोई भी हालत में सीबीआई को ये केस देने का कोई प्रश्न नहीं उपस्थित होता।
और बिहार पुलिस आई है सर, बिहार पुलिस जो आ रही है सर बिहार पुलिस सर गणेशोत्सव आणि बकरीद
अरे एक सेकंड जाऊ दे रे बाबा।
थँक्यू सर।
सिंह राजपूत के मामले में क्या बैठक में डिसीजन हुआ?
वैसे आज की हमारी दूसरी बैठक थी, लेकिन एज ए गृह मंत्री मैं बताना चाहता हूं कि सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का जो केस है उसको मुंबई पुलिस तहकीकात इसकी कर रही है और कोई भी हालत में सीबीआई को ये केस देने का कोई प्रश्न नहीं उपस्थित होता।